The language of a computer. The language of a computer. When you press A on your keyboard, the computer displays A on the screen. But what is actually stored inside the computer's main memory? What is the language of the computer? How does it store whatever you type on the keyboard? Electrical signals. Remember that a computer is an electronic device. Electrical signals are used inside the computer to process information. Electrical signals. There are two types of electrical signals, analog signals and digital signals. Analog signals. Analog signals are continuously varying continuous waveforms used to represent such things as sound. Audio tapes, for example, store data in analog signals. Digital signals. Digital signals represent information with a sequence of zeros and ones. A 0 represents a low voltage, and a 1 represents a high voltage. Electronic signals. Digital signals are more reliable carriers of information than analog signals and can be copied from one device to another with exact precision. You might have noticed that when you make a copy of an audio tape, the sound quality of the copy is not as good as the original tape. On the other hand, when you copy a CD, the copy is the same as the original. Computers use digital signals. Machine language. Computers use digital signals. Because digital signals are processed inside a computer, the language of a computer, called machine language, is a sequence of zeros and ones. Binary code. The digit 0 or 1 is called a binary digit, or bit. Sometimes a sequence of zeros and ones is referred to as a binary code or a binary number. Binary unit. A sequence of 8 bits is called a byte. Moreover, 1024 bytes is called a kilobyte, KB. Table of binary units summarizes the terms used to describe various numbers of bytes. ASCII code. Every letter, number, or special symbol, such as OR, on your keyboard is encoded one as a sequence of bits, each having a unique representation. The most commonly used encoding scheme on personal computers is the 7-bit American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASCII. The ASCII data set consists of 128 characters numbered 0 through 127. That is, in the ASCII dataset, the position of the first character is 0, the position of the second character is 1, and so on. In this scheme, A is encoded as the binary number 1,000,001. Unicode. There are other encoding schemes, such as Unicode. Unicode consists of 65,536 characters. To store a character belonging to Unicode, you need 16 bits or 2 bytes. Unicode was created to represent a variety of characters and is continuously expanding. It consists of characters from languages other than English.